So guys, I'm just preparing for my next trip, which is in 3 days. And actually, I'll give you a clue as to where I'm going. Let me know in the comment section where this is. So, it's the smallest country in mainland Africa, and it's also known as the smiling coast of Africa. So let me know in the comment section what country you think this is. So I'm just off to Chewy. I'm actually traveling with Chewy this time, and I'm just going to pay for some excursions and also get some currency. But let me know in the comment section what country you think it is. So I've just come to book one of the excursions and it's fully booked, so I'm going to see if I can book it whilst I'm there. But I'm booking a second one that's available on the Thursday, so I'm just going to do that one now so they can arrange everything for us. And the currency, it turns out I can't get it here. I have to either take pounds or US dollars, and then I'll get the currency when I get there. So yeah. I might just, I don't know if I should take US dollars or just take pounds, or just use my card whilst I'm there. So I'm all booked. I ended up getting US dollars because it turns out it's easier to convert US dollars into the local currency than it is with pounds, and you get more for your money. So I decided to get US dollars. But let me know in the comment section which country I am going to. The smallest mainland country in Africa, and it's also known as the smiling coast of Africa. So I'm just going to go and get my toiletries and do some packing. I normally pack well in advance, but I've had such a busy few couple of months, that's why I haven't posted as much as I normally do, but hopefully from now on you should get regular content. And if you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. It's going to be so much fun taking you along the smiling coast of Africa. I'm just off to the hair shop because I'm going to get my braids done whilst I'm there. I just took my hair out a couple of days ago. I'm just wearing my grandma scarf as well. I love it. I wear it all the time. But I'm just going to go and get some braids, and I'll have my hair done probably on the second or third day, because I was going to get it done the next day after I arrived, but it turns out they're not open on that day. So I am going to probably on the second or third day to have it done. I think I'm going to have some braids unless if I see a hairstyle there that actually looks different or unique or whatever. I'll see it when I get there, but I'm just going to buy the braids now and I'll take them with me. Guys, it's absolutely freezing. It's actually 1 degree. It's freezing, but when I land there it's going to be 35 degrees. It's like complete opposite. It's from the fridge to the oven practically. But I love it when it's hot. Even if it's 35 degrees, for me it's fine because I love the heat. So I'm just one of those people. I just hate the cold weather and I need to be warm all the time. So it's going to be quite interesting. I've just come to Starbucks to get my green tea because you know me and tea. And turns out I had a birthday treat. So my birthday was on the 22nd of December and I had a free birthday treat. So free birthday tea. So I said, okay, I'll have it. So yeah, I'm just going to go to the hair shop now. Absolutely frozen. Honestly, my hands are cold and my feet as well. So I'm just going to go to the hair shop just now, and I hope it's still, oh yeah, it is still open because I haven't been around this side for a long time. And I'm not sure if I should get my just, you know, black hair or if I should go for a different colour. I don't know, we'll see. What's this? Dubai perfumes. Oh. Right. I wonder if I should get some beads for my hair. Let's see. Let me get the hair first. Sorry. Probably get one of these packs. Guys, I think I'm just going to go for the black hair. So this one is 6 packets and it's 28 inches. I think I'll go for this one. I'm sure it's going to be more than enough. I don't think I'm going to... I can't be bothered to decide what other colours to go for. I think black's always safe. I'll just go with the black one. I'm going to try and get this when I get there. Let's see what the price is going to be like there. I'm thinking of getting this so my hair's not boring. Might get this and like decorate it or something. Yeah, I think I get one of these. Just got the hair now, and Mimi's so sweet. She actually wrote a list for me, and I'm actually going alone this time. Can you imagine, guys? Honestly, we do everything together, so it's going to be weird to go traveling without her, traveling without my bestie. But she said, well, make sure you enjoy for the both of us. But anyway, she wrote a list for me so I don't forget anything. So I need to have a look at my list and see what else I need to buy. But I was also thinking I probably need to get some washing powder because I want to make sure that I wash everything before I leave. I don't want to come back and find all my clothes, and because normally before I leave I make sure that I leave the house clean and I change my sheets and everything, so when I come back to a nice clean house. But I am just going to go through my list now and get everything else that I needed to do, and then I'm going to go and start packing. There's still Christmas lights. It's New Year now, but still Christmas lights. I'm also going to be wearing my travel tee and my travel hoodie. If you haven't seen it on my website, I will put the link somewhere around here. You know, it's quite convenient when you're traveling, especially because of the temperature difference when you're traveling. So because when I leave this tomorrow, well, in a couple of days, it's going to be really cold, so I'll need to have some good layers. I need to have my hoodie, but then once we're closer, I'll probably take it off and I just have my t-shirt because it's going to be very hot there. So I need something that's comfortable that I can just wear, and also, you know, shed all the layers that I'll be wearing because it's going to be in a different continent with different weather. I've never used Chewy before, so this is going to be my very first trip using Chewy, and the service was so good. The person that arranged everything, her name was Emily. Well, her name is Emily, and she was amazing, honestly. But there are a few things to note that I was just surprised about that, you know, because normally when we book our flights, I book everything online, and for example, the flight will include your luggage allowance, so it will tell you, say you've got 2 25 kg bags and 1 hand luggage or whatever. But with TUI, it was just the flight. Because when I had a look, I thought, oh, the flights are quite cheap. But it turns out it's just the flight. You have to pay everything else separate. So I had to pay extra for just the 1 suitcase, and obviously for hand luggage as well. So you have to pay extra. Everything else is extra. So the flight is just the flight, and that's it. You have to add the suitcases and everything else. The other thing is, when I went back now to book the excursions, they were like, I said to them, oh, I forgot to tell you when I was paying for my ticket that I'm vegan. Obviously, I need to have that added as a dietary requirement. And they were like, well, actually, there's no food on the flight. I was like, what? They don't serve food on the flight. So it's good to know that, so you know in advance to make sure that you bring your own food, preferably cold food, for the flight. So that's the other thing that I was actually surprised about, because most airlines, when you book the flight, it includes the food and everything. So, I was just surprised. So I need to make sure that I've got my food. I normally do bring my own food, but, sometimes I just want to see what the airlines actually provide as well. It's good that I asked regarding dietary requirements. Otherwise, I would have expected to have food on the flight and not received it. So I need to be more prepared for that. And now I'm just off to get my toiletries and also go home and do all my laundry, do some cleaning and start packing, because I'm actually going to be busy the next couple of days before I leave, so I won't really have time to pack, so I need to try and do everything today. Guys, it's icy, it's freezing, honestly. I know I keep saying that, but it's actually really, really cold. I hope my plants survive this time, because remember, one of them was quite yellow when I got back, but because it's cold, hopefully they're gonna be fine. We'll see. So I've just got in and I'm having my lunch. So today I'm having some, I don't know if you can see that, some rice with quinoa, and I've got some tofu. I just fried some tofu, and I'm having salad and some tomatoes with balsamic vinegar and olive oil dressing. I am going to start packing and I am ready for my holiday. Let me know in the comment section where I'm going, guys. Oh, it's gonna be interesting, and if you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Make sure that you subscribe and hit that bell notification, and see you in the next one.